The Fabre Castel factory manufacturing crayons and color pencils at Corlim, Tiswadi caught fire early Saturday morning, resulting in a loss of goods worth crores of rupees. Fire tenders from Old Goa, Panaji, kundaim and syngenta factory, which went to the burning factory, managed to save two other nearby units. The incident took place at around 5:30 in the morning, which was first noticed by a security guard at the factory premises, who later brought it to the notice of the company officials. The officials subsequently informed the Old Goa fire station and the Old Goa police. Fortunately, not a single employee was present inside the crayons unit at the time of the incident, as Friday was a Diwali holiday. The Old Goa Fire Brigade officials, along with their counterparts from Panaji, kundaim, along with the fire service personnel of syngenta company, had a tough time in dousing the huge flames at the Fabre Castel manufacturing unit. More than 50 water tankers from the fire brigade services were pressed into service. The production of the crayons unit was completely burned to ashes, while the fire brigade personnel were able to save the other two units of the factory located a few meters away. The impact of the fire was such that cracks appeared in the walls of the crayons unit. Speaking to Goa 365, officer in charge of the Old Goa fire station stated that they received a call at around 6:30 in the morning and managed to save the main unit, which had products worth crores of rupees.
बट आम्ही पावच्या आधी फॅक्टरीत जोड उजो घेतलेलो आणि आम्ही सगळ्यांक कॉल केले सिबाक फोन केले पुढेही कॉल केले कोणीचे कॉल केले कोणीचे फायर स्टेशन कॉल केले सगळी गाडी हाडून आता अंडर कंट्रोल आहा आता फॅक्टरी सेव्ह केली आता ही फॅक्टरी मेन इम्पॉर्टंट क्रुडांचो लोक वेपार हायसून भितर ते आता मोस्टली एका लागून ही सायडी फायर गेली आनी सेव्ह केले प्रोडक्ट
हितून कितें आशिल्लें
हितून सगळी प्लास्टीक पॅन आसली ती प्लास्टीक पॅन फायबर्स पॅन्स सगळे सो टोटल एक 40 गाडी सुमान मारली सगळी हाडून.
Employees of the Fabre Castel unit who had come to join their duty in the morning were shocked to know that the unit went up in flames. Meanwhile, the production in charge of Fabre Castel unit said that since Friday was a holiday, they could not determine the cause of fire.
Yesterday was a holiday, so it is very difficult to understand. Security, I think they saw the fire and they called the fire brigade.
Even the contractor is left pondering mind, who used to earn their dailyhood taking the contracts of the company's crayons unit, and now are in tension as what could happen next with them if no solution is found out by the company on what type of job could be given to the contractors, since the whole unit of Fabre Castel crayons had burned into flames on Saturday early morning.